Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project 1. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. As you can see at the top of the box, we can find the keyboard preview with some specifications. From the sticker we can learn about switches, layout, keycaps, backlight, body color and keycaps color. At the left side we've got information that this keyboard has manually oiled stabilizers and rubber inserts under spacebar. Take a look at the bottom of the case. Here again we can learn some additional informations. For example, this keyboard has braided cable, software to install on the PC. This keyboard is mechanical with resource of 50 M. Does not support hot swap, and here we can find dimensions, weight, size and cable length. Thus, this keyboard does not have detachable cable, but also it has multimedia keys. Let's open it up. Firstly, we can see the keyboard. Next, we can find key removal tool, warranty card, and user manual. Let me take the box out. As you can see, this keyboard does not have numpad. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.